So, our old craftsman table saw broke the other day. I was pushing some maple through it and it just started smoking up and eventually just wouldn't turn on. The motor would just, didn't turn on. And I took it apart, and unfortunately the bearing on the top of the shaft here, see if I can focus that, was burnt on to the shaft. And I tried prying it with a screwdriver. Why is that not focusing? I tried prying it with a screwdriver. I put tons of WD-40 on it and it just didn't come off, so I had to grind it, unfortunately, with our Walmart angle grinder. And I unfortunately damaged the shaft too. Here, let's put it on the workbench here. There you can see how the shaft is damaged there. And but we're gonna try fitting a bearing on. I believe it's a 6200Z bearing, and put it in the freezer and shrink it and then just hammer the bearing on. But yeah, I hope we can fix it, because I was running the saw while it was smoking up and I just kept running it. I don't know why I did that, but hopefully we can fix it. I've got this part too. It's the arbor. I hope this is still good. I haven't taken it apart yet, just because I don't want to do any more screwing around with this. I'll show you guys how this kind of comes together, but without the bearing, of course, because we're waiting on the part from Amazon. But this is the armature, and then should prop this up maybe somewhere. So this is the armature, and then this is a plastic kind of housing that goes onto it like that, and then this rubber cap will go onto the bearing that we ordered, and then it goes in the motor compartment, the plastic one over there. I can show you guys in a bit. And then this geared part of the shaft here goes into this hole here that connects to the arbor. So let's try and get that in there. I just kind of need to jiggle it around there. And then, spins smoothly, just like that. To take it out, you just kind of pull it out like that. I might try re-greasing that, just because I don't know how long that grease has been in there and if it's dried up yet or not, but I guess we'll see. Might have to re-grease this bearing too, or just replace it. Here is the saw model, if you were wondering. It's a Craftsman 10-inch table saw. And this is the housing for the motor. The motor just goes in there. There's some copper wire, and I don't really know much about motors, but that's that. So hopefully I can get this thing fixed up, and keep you guys tuned. Thanks for watching.